Have you ever considered that a simple plastic barrel could hold the key to a thriving garden? It might sound surprising, but transforming a 50-gallon plastic barrel into a raised garden bed is a fantastic way to grow your own vegetables, herbs, and flowers. This DIY project is especially perfect for those with limited space, seniors, and even children who are just starting their gardening journey. But why choose this unique method? Raised garden beds made from barrels offer a multitude of benefits, from easier access and better drainage to improved soil quality and water conservation. Imagine stepping out to your patio and harvesting fresh lettuce for your sandwiches, or snipping fragrant basil for your pasta sauce, all from your own barrel garden. These compact gardens make tending to your plants a breeze, eliminating the need for bending and strenuous digging. Their elevated design also means fewer weeds to battle and reduced pest problems. And since you have complete control over the soil mix, you can create the perfect growing environment for your plants. Intrigued? Let's delve into the world of barrel gardening and discover how you can create your own verdant oasis from a simple plastic drum. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Before we embark on our barrel transformation journey, let's gather our tools and materials. Having everything at hand will make the process smooth and enjoyable. One 50-gallon plastic barrel food grade is best. Measuring tape, marker pen, safety goggles, work gloves, heavy-duty shears or jigsaw, drill with a half-inch drill bit, landscape fabric, and gravel or small stones. When choosing your barrel, prioritize food-grade barrels, as these are less likely to leach harmful chemicals into your soil. You can often find them for free or at a low cost from beverage companies, food manufacturers, or even on online marketplaces. Once you've secured your barrel, it's time to give it a good cleaning with soap and water, removing any residues or labels. Now that we have our tools and a clean barrel, we're ready to move on to the exciting part, transforming this humble container into a thriving garden bed. With our materials prepped and ready, let's turn that discarded barrel into a gardening masterpiece. First, mark and cut. Using your measuring tape and marker pen, draw a line around the barrel, approximately 6 inches from the top. This will be the top edge of your garden bed. Remember, it's always easier to remove more material later, so start conservatively. Put on your safety goggles and gloves, then carefully cut along the line using your heavy-duty shears or jigsaw. Ensure the cut edges are smooth to avoid any scratches while planting. Next, drainage is key. Drill several half-inch drainage holes in the bottom of the barrel, spacing them about 6 inches apart. For added drainage, especially if placing the barrel on a deck, line the bottom with a layer of landscape fabric and top it with a 2-inch layer of gravel or small stones. This will prevent waterlogging and ensure your plants thrive. Finally, ready to plant. Congratulations! Your barrel garden bed is now complete, and you're ready to move on to the most rewarding part, filling it with life. Section 4. The perfect recipe for barrel garden success. Choosing the right soil and plants is crucial for a bountiful barrel garden. Luckily, creating the ideal growing environment is easier than you might think. First, the soil mix. Fill your barrel almost to the top with a well-draining potting mix. A blend of topsoil, compost, and perlite or vermiculite works wonders. For an extra boost of calcium, crush up some eggshells and mix them into the soil. This will benefit your plants and deter pesky slugs and snails. Next, choosing your plants. Barrel gardens are incredibly versatile and can accommodate a wide variety of plants. Consider planting shallow-rooted crops like lettuce, spinach, strawberries, and herbs. You can also grow compact varieties of tomatoes, peppers, and even cucumbers with proper support. Remember to select plants that thrive in your region's climate and light conditions. Watering wisely is key. Water your barrel garden regularly, ensuring the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. A great way to conserve water and create a self-watering system is to bury a plastic bottle with small holes drilled into its cap in the soil, leaving the top open. Fill the bottle with water, and it will slowly release moisture to your plant's roots as needed. Lastly, maintenance made easy. One of the best things about barrel gardens is their low-maintenance nature. Regularly check for pests or diseases and address them promptly. Remove any weeds that pop up and fertilize your plants every few weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to ensure they have all the nutrients they need. Section 5. Reaping the rewards of your upcycled garden. Congratulations on creating your very own upcycled garden oasis. By transforming a simple plastic barrel into a thriving garden bed, you've not only embraced sustainability, but also opened a world of gardening possibilities. You've created a space to connect with nature, nurture life, and enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. So why not gather your tools, grab a barrel, and embark on this rewarding journey? Please like, share your experiences, and subscribe for more and photos of your unique barrel gardens with the world. Who knows, you might just inspire others to turn trash into treasure while cultivating their green thumbs.